Hello, good evening to all. Today I will discuss a beautiful process where we can generate automatic receipt and it will be same like computerized receipt with the help of Google Sheet, Google Form and configure the Google App script in it. So to make the process we need three things: Google Sheet, Google Form and Google Doc. First we will prepare a Google form like this where we will add some question like name, email ID, father name, bank, amount, payment date, and etc. And we will fill these details for our client to whom we want to send the automatic email with the receipt attachment and it will generate automatically. And second one is Google document where we will prepare a template of our receipt like this. Here I'm using all the details which are also available in Google form like name, father name, and I'm using the placeholder because it is mandatory to fetch the detail from Google form and Google Sheet. And another is Google Sheet, the last one, where all the responses will be captured. So let's start the process to how to make this magical thing. So let's open the Google App Script coding. So this is the coding. So let's copy the sheet ID like this, copy it and paste here. Like this. I'm using the abbreviation to make this easy for your convenience so that you can easily paste the link. So let's copy the receipt template doc ID and paste here. Let's check the response sheet tab name. It is form response one. Let me check. Yeah, it is same. Another one is PDF link. Yeah, as you can see, I want to generate a PDF link in column O, which is equivalent to column 15. So I'm using the column 15 here and that's it. Let's save it. So now I will fill this form. After submission the form, the receipt will be generated automatically in form of PDF, but same will go to that client email ID. So I'm giving an example. My client name is Raj. Let's enter the test entry here. Amount is 15,000 and payment date was 20th of September. Transaction number is this towards company name. It's XJet Limited. And course was diploma in Bachelor of Science. The address was lane number 122. And the phone number. I'm using the test entry here. So my form has been submitted with the details. Let's check the Google Sheet. Yeah, you can see the response has been captured here. Let's check the PDF. It is automatically generated here. Let's open it. As you can see, the receipt has been generated and it is same like computerized receipt. And here, the amount in number, it will automatically convert it in a word. So it is same like we have prepared a template here. You can see that. And let's check the other thing on email. The email will be sent automatically to him on their email ID. You can see here. The email has been received with attachment of receipt. Let's open it. Yes. And moreover, if you want to generate the PDF link manually, just simply go to custom menu and generate receipt. Just delete it from here, go to custom menu, generate receipt. So PDF link will be generated here after running the script. So this is very magical things where you can just fill the Google form with the required details of your client and the receipt will be generated automatically and same will go to their email IDs. So I'm giving the Google Apps script coding in description box. Just make the changes and configure it in your Google Sheet. So it will save your time, moreover less involvement of your staff and person. If you feel any challenge here to incorporate these, just comment and I will definitely help you. So like the video, share the video with colleagues and other business mates and follow the channel to get more videos like this. And with this video, you can learn Google Sheet automation. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.